My name is Spence. I am in the 8th grade. What I like about robotics is being able to program whatever device you're using, from robot to drone, and then being able to use it in competitions.
What I enjoyed the most was the coding, because after I finished coding, I could see what the drone would do, and it would be cool when it would go through the pipes and the obstacles.
The flight commands we used for flying the drones were turn 90 degrees, go forward, backwards, right, left, up and down, or turn the other way 90 degrees to go back straight. Going into the competition, I was nervous and I thought I was gonna get second or third, but surprisingly I got first.
The hardest part for me was programming the drone and actually getting it to run through the entire course without failing.
With Nerdvana, I learned a lot because I didn't know a lot about coding, especially coding a drone, with all the degrees and angles and the flight commands and the movements and the capabilities that it could do.